Can you give some tips to draw this sketchbook? Let's say for a beginner who would like to start sketching, you have some tips to tell him how to do this, so we can see the drawing better. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for that.
This one I think very interesting because I start with a cup. Yes, I start with a cup and finish with that.
Oh, I see. The evolution of difference. Okay.
Yes, yes. Example here I have some bags.
Nice. I like the composition you have done. It's quite cool because you have different sizes, different angles. It's cool. Just this one is conflicting with that one because of the size, and this one bigger and perfect.
Yes. This one I don't know what is this, but I start sketching and generate ideas.
Sure.
And I start taking that form of the duck to finish with a boat.
Oh, nice. That's cool.
Something more sneakers, boats, more backpacks. This one I start with a perspective and then I rethink that. I use this ring. I use it because when I use the marker, the marker go to the other side. So I use if you think it's the same ring.
So
yes, and I start with that and continue developing. And ugly doodles.
We love ugly doodles.
Yes, yes.
Ugly doodles.
Ugly doodles. Ugly doodles, yeah.
That's good.
Sony logo. That's maybe for a tutorial of do yourself.
So you enjoy doing ugly doodles?
Yeah, yes, a lot. Yes, it's very fun. Backpacks in Chouchou. I focus. I focus on the construction lines. It's important to start with the eggs and then keep construing the full objects. So I think that's very important. Also, you have to take part of the line quality and line weight.
Okay.
So, for example, in this one, you can
show us an example of line weight exercise.
Yeah, for example, you can see that here the outline is a bit bigger than the lines inside.
Did you use the same pen or is it different?
Yeah.
If I'm not wrong, you use these two pens, right?
Yes, I use this one to the construction lines and also all the other lines, and then I use the PAPERMATE FLAIRM pen to do an outside line in order to pop up your sketch a bit. So I don't know. Maybe I also used to do some backgrounds here or painting also for pump up your sketches. You can see some examples here, for example. So, for example, in this one, you know that the mouse is like going outside the page.
It's here, like you cut it here. It's like comics.
Yeah, for example. And also you can take a growth. This one is a bit floating on the paper. Also, you can use text to add details and think more about your design. For example, I'm talking about here about the button function, the textures. Here it's like you can move it or extend. I don't know. These plates will be from the branding. I don't know, everything you're looking for. Here the same. Maybe you can have a laptop with a double screen, or I don't know. Here, like the MacBook Pro, you have the normal keyboard and other tactile bar. You can see how the object is working.
You're using the arrows to show the movement.
Yeah, I think that's very important. And also another important thing that I think is very nice for a beginner is to start with a 2D page, and then when you have the idea and generate some concept, you can jump into 3D with more details, and you know more about the shape that you want to draw. Some sneakers here. I don't know.
I like little thing. I like when you do the lines and then you write inside. Why do you do that?
because if I do that, all the text will have the same weight.
Okay.
That's more aesthetic.
Okay. Overall, it's more aesthetic.
Yes. So
it's cleaner.
I try to do the lines parallel.
Okay.
If you see, they are similar. All the lines.
Okay.
So that helped me.
Because I know me myself, I have very bad handwriting.
Yes.
Like this. And if I do that, it will be much cleaner.
Yes, I like this. And I don't know. So said, you can add the logo to your product. Try to do different perspective. Try to do all the page with different forms of same products. When you sketch a product many times, you know more about that product, and you can also improve your product, the product that you are sketching.
So is it like you want to show your ideas, to communicate it in different angles, but also taking care of the presentation? Yeah,
I think that's important. And also, if you do your product with different angles, you can see details of your product that maybe at the first thing you don't know.
That's true.
So you know more about the product.
Then you can